Hello and welcome back to another find items in Overwatch thing. So this is on Blizzard World. We have to find 6 treasure chests, 13 toy hammers, 11 toy zerglings, 5 iron axes, 10 gold sewer manholes, and Mike. So let's go ahead and get started. I feel like the iron axes, there might be one in here. No. Okay. Oh, there's one right here. Hammer. Okay, so I know what the hammer looks like now. Here's another couple of them. Here's another gift shop, so another hammer. And another. And another, and another. And another. It's one of the treasure chests. Wasn't there a treasure chest in here? Yeah, there is. Okay. Is that the only one? I believe so. Does that count? No, it doesn't. Okay. So let's go on down here. Another toy hammer. And that looks like it's going to be about it for down there. I'm going to go up and out, and in here doesn't look like there's anything in there. And also probably nothing on the stairs. No names, I don't think. Lost and found Vikings. Yep, there's a hammer here. I feel like that's not it. I don't really know what the fuck a zergling is, so I'm kinda gonna just have to guess as to what it is. Okay. There is no cow level. I've never noticed that before.
Flight to Duskwood is an exhilarating griffin ride soaring high above
I don't believe so. I don't believe there's anything out there. Oh, and here there was. Okay. Let's go back over to this side. And we'll go up top first. Another hammer. Treasure chest. This is going to be the final treasure chest.
Please remember, there is a limit of
I feel like, well, definitely a couple of the hammers. So, okay. And the manholes are going to be probably spread sporadically on this stuff. So I'm just going to kind of go and run around real quick. See if I can't find them. I feel like there might be some more back this way. Yeah. There's one. Just been walking past all of these apparently. That looks like that might be it for over there. Because I would assume that these manhole covers can only be certain places. Okay. So let's go ahead and look down in here real quick.
Welcome to the Pylon Terrace.
Don't think so. That is one of the Zergling things. Okay, so I kind of know what I'm looking for now. Yeah, here we go.
Idle SCVs to aisle 4 for repairs.
I borrowed
Mike.
$15,000 from my grandmother. $10,000 went into the company.
Okay, here's going to be a ton of these. 6 of them. No more over there. Can't go in there. Up top.
Welcome, shopper.
Doesn't look like anything, really. Oh,
Dispense one of our delicious frozen pops. Now available in large, lesbian,
there is
and
one over there though,
flavors.
right? Yeah. So do I just have to... Okay, just do that. Got that one. There's gonna be one more right here. One more toy hammer, one more Zergling. I feel like it might be in here. Iron axes. I think iron axes are going to be around here. If I were to assume. Or if I were to remember. Which hopefully I do.
Taste some of Loot Golane's finest vintage.
There's one. Here's another. So they're on those things. I see. Now I just gotta find all of those things. There's really not one in here? I'm surprised. There's another one. I think there might be another one out here. Six out of 10 of the golden manhole covers. But like honestly, where would that last one be? Or the last 4 of those? Surely there has to be a toy hammer or a axe around here somewhere. That's not an axe? I still have 2 zerglings to find. Oh, here's one.
Use the single rider line for a speedier trip. Larger parties will cause the minions of hell.
Holy shit, am I tired? Alright. Here's another one. There's another one. So let's just go around to all the corners out here real quick to see if I can't find them. I think they basically have to be outside. So as long as we're outside, we should be finding them.
Prepare for the March of the Silver Hand Equestrian Parade, ending at the Argent Tournament Grounds. The wait time for the Hellscream is currently 4 hours. Hail and well met, fellas.
Oh, I thought that was the axe. I'm so disappointed. I also still need 2 of the manhole covers. Which I feel like they're going to be difficult to find. What time is it? 10:27. Could they be down in here? No.
Looking for a
Up here. Okay, so there are a few things that I'm struggling to find.
Please do not disturb the peasants.
Hmm. I'm having a hard time finding all of these.
Please remember there is a limit of 1 battle pet per guest at any time.
There's no Zergling over here. And I still have 2 of those. There's really not a sewer thing over here? Like, there's one of those things, but where the fuck is the axe? Unless it's up there. Alright. It's time for hints. Hints. Blizzard World. So we are looking for the hammers. I think employees are going to work with one of the iron axes. Yeah, that's what I said too.
Painting.
If they're going to work with it, then it should be back in here. Or in one of these back areas. So this is a back area here. Definitely not in there.
The seven evils will rise from the depths of the burning hells for their autographs, I believe.
Have you lost one Zergling? So with that hint, I would have to assume over here in the lost and found.
The wait time for the Hellscream is currently
Holy shit, it is turned around. So where the fuck is the other one? Could that one be turned around too? And I just have to be looking for the ones that are furthest away. There's another one of those. Okay. I feel like that might be what it is. I'm still missing his hammer. There's no hammer hint. I guess it's not hammer time. Or is the hammer just in a stupidly obvious place that I am missing because I'm stupid and oblivious? Okay, so now that we're here in the StarCraft place, it has to be around here. Those are all turned around properly. I already collected those. Got that one.
Warp across the stars with your very own
I got those.
quantities available.
I don't know. The hint for the manhole covers is that two of them are close to walls. But the problem is that this one is close to a wall and I already have it. So I don't really know where this last one would be. I honestly couldn't tell you where any of these things are. They're going to work with one. So it would have to be in a hidden area.
I sense a
So it has to be somewhere around here. But I'm not seeing it. Like, this is the only thing remotely like it. Oh my god. There it is. Okay. So now for golden sewer manhole cover things. Here in about a couple of minutes, I'm gonna have to go stop talking and pick my boyfriend up from work, and then I probably won't have enough time to finish it, so I'll just have to say bye then. I thought I could get it done. But I supposeth not. Because I am just not having any sort of luck with any of this. None there. None.
flight to Tusk.
Nothing. Just a whole lot of nothing.
At 15 and 45 past each hour, head to the
Okay.
docks for a hands-on
Well,
fishing demonstration.
that is where I'm gonna go ahead and leave it then. Because I am not able to find these last items. And I don't know if I ever will.
Time for the Hellstream is currently
So, thank you for watching. I'm honestly stalling a little bit to see if I can find them, but I don't think I will.
Welcome to the Pylon Terrace.
So,
The journey to Ire.
When you go out and you get a new
alright.
Join your brethren.
Well, that's gonna be it. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.